The legendary Audi S1 E2, one of the most iconic rally cars in history, powered by a 5-cylinder, turbo engine with approximately 450, 500 HP, lightweight body, and all-wheel drive. This car dominated the Group B era. It competed in famous rallies like Monte Carlo, Acropolis, and Tour de Corse. Legendary drivers such as Michel Mouton, Walter Röhrl, Hans-Joachim Stuck, and Walter Wolf pushed it to the limits, creating unforgettable moments in rally history. If you love legendary rally cars and extraordinary machines, this short is for you.